Hey, what's up guys? So Site here at we're back again with another video review dito sa Fifthscape, no, which is a cryptocurrency platform guys na merong binlend na virtual reality. So alam naman natin guys, we can see na lalo na yung Facebook, no, yung metaverse. Talagang pinalitan nga nila yung parangalan nila from Facebook to metaverse. Kasi they are saying na metaverse, virtual reality, augmented reality would be the next big thing, no? Bukod sa artificial intelligence, no? So ito, for example, itong VR headset. So yung Fifthscape, kinombine nila for sure yung crypto into AR and VR ecosystem, no? Dahil ito yung mga pinakabagong technology. So meron sila ditong VR games, VR movies, VR education at VR devices, no? So right now guys, meron silang pre-sale at ang target nila is 3.7 million. Okay, so listing price niya guys is 0.01 at ang next price niya is 0.002, which is 14% increase, no? So you can buy here guys using ETH, Matic, BNB, USDT, or yon, kukonect nyo na yung wallet nyo dito guys, no? So pwede kayo bumili dito if interested kayo. So pre-sale guys is a way to get the public people, retail players, to get into a project at the earliest stage, no? So in this way guys, bago pa lamang siya i-release sa mga decentralized exchange, sa mga centralized exchange tulad ng Binance, or sa decentralized exchange tulad ng Uniswap, PancakeSwap. So pwede nyo na siya agad mabili dito sa website nila, which is a good thing kasi most of the time kapag nilagay na siya sa mga exchanges, syempre mas marami ng eye yung makakakita sa project na to. So ang tendency, mas magiging mataas yung presyo after nila i-release to, after nila i-list to sa mga exchange. So ngayon guys, available pa lamang sila dito sa mga website nila for the pre-selling. Okay, so ayan, meron silang 5.21 billion total token supply, 15 million market cap at listing. So sa listing nila guys, meron silang 15 million na makukuha market. Okay, so that's how big it is. So isipin nyo guys, if nag 10 times pa yung project na iyon, then much better, diba? So yung total token supply niya is 5.21 billion. Okay, so yung potential talaga nito is yung technology ng virtual reality. So ayan, marami silang nilalagay dito: Cage Conquest, Trust Hunter, Immersive Kick-Off, Archery Master, Epic Cricket Arena. I don't know guys kung ano yung magiging itsura ng mga games na yan, pero we can watch para makita. Tingnan natin. So yun lang. Okay, so suntukan gamit yung virtual reality, which is na-try ko na rin to sa meron akong VR headset kasi. Okay, so enter a realm of heightened experience. So yep, kapag nasa headset ka na yan to, nasa loob ka niyan, syempre makikita nyo guys yung screen nyo talaga, or wala ka na nga screen kasi yung mata mo talaga naka-focus doon sa isang screen na parang yun na yung magmumukhang world mo, kaya nga virtual world no? So marami sila ditong guys na ilalabas na mga features. Okay, staggering growth, lifetime free access, early access, exclusive in-game advantages, at ito nga pala guys yung tokenomics nila. Okay, so 10% sa treasury and development, which is a healthy amount, 10% for the liquidity, at 80% for the pre-sale. Okay, so yun yung token allocation nila. Okay, sales round. Okay, round 1. Currently guys, listing price is 0.01, 15 million total. So kung titingnan natin kung nasang round na tayo, pre-sale stage 3, which is 0.00248. Okay, pre-sale stage 3, which is 0.248, which is sa susunod, sa round 12, 0.0087 na siya. So 0.0248 naging 87, 2468. So almost 4 times increase na kung bibili tayo ngayon, no? So maganda siya guys para sa akin kasi nag 4 times na agad yung pera mo parating sa round 12. Tapos yung listing price niya 0.1. So kung bibili tayo ngayon 0.002, tapos naging 0.01 yung presyo, nag 5 times na yung pera mo. So para sa akin, maganda siya kung bibili kayo dito kasi masyado pa maaga, no? So kailangan lang makompleto yung kanilang pre-selling stage. Ang tanong kung kaano katagal bago ito makompleto. So yun ang tanong. Okay, yun ang tanong. Kasi ang tanong dyan, kailan ba sila nagsimula? Nung kanilang round 1, ngayon nasa round 3 na sila. So kaano katagal yung naging pagitan bago nun? Okay, so ito yung team behind this project guys. Ito, at ito yung mga pinaplano nila, mga iba't iba pa. Yung expected launch nila guys kapag natapos yung yung bilihan ng tokens nila. Okay, Fifthscape yung pangalan ng token nila guys. At yun, pwede kayo sumali guys dito sa kanilang mga community. Okay, yan, sala kayo dyan guys sa Twitter nila. Na-feature sila dito guys sa Cointelegraph. Ayan. Passes $1.5 million in pre-sale. Is, kailan to pinublish? March 19. March 19, $1.5 million na siya. So, ngayon, ano na siya? 3 million na siya, no? Ngayon. So, malaki-laki na rin yun. The virtual reality sponsor, Fifthscape, is off a strong start, having already raised over $1.5 million in funding. Which is, kung titingnan natin, Fifthscape, $1.5 million in funding. Okay. Noong March 19, ngayon, April 1 na, is nasa 3 million na sila. Marami pa yung lalakbayin nila. Okay. Marami-rami pa, matagal-tagal pa siguro matatapos yung project nila. So, siguro yung pre-sale, feeling ko, pinipredict ko, 3 to 4 months bago matapos yung pre-sale. Okay? Kasi yung nag-launch sila January 9, okay? April na ngayon, so total funding goal nila 15 million. At mahaba-haba pa yung biyahe kasi right now, nasa 3 million pa lang sila. Okay? Pero kung makakabili tayo ngayon, at magtutuloy-tuloy to within months, feeling ko magiging worth it siya. Kasi mag 5 times yung pera mo after that. Okay? So, pwede na sila guys i-follow sa Yahoo Finance din. Ayan, na-feature din sila dito guys. Fifthscape ng January 7. Okay. At Scapecoin yung magiging tawag sa kanilang token. Okay. So, Discord guys, pwede kayo sumali dito sa Fifthscape community na ito. Ayan, with already 5k members, 167 online. Okay, pwede din kayo guys sumali. Dito guys, sa kanilang Twitter. Okay, pwede nyo sila guys i-follow sa kanilang Twitter. At sa Discord nila guys. Okay, so Twitter guys, follow nyo sila dito. Then Twitter nila, Fifthscape with already 12k followers. Okay. At meron nga pala guys na nag-i-scam guys, no? So ingat kayo sa mga ganyan. Okay. Get your tokens now. Third pre-sale ending in 3 days. Okay, third pre-sale. So meron pa silang 12 rounds. So tagal-tagal pa. Pero pag nagawa nyo, kung enter kayo ngayon, tapos natapper yung whole rounds nila, already 5 times na yung pera nyo agad. Just by the listening price. Depende po yun pag umangat yung presyo. Okay. So, yun guys. And then, dito naman guys, bukod doon, pakita natin to guys. Okay. Yung kanilang Discord. Okay, so Discord naman guys. Ayan. Pwede nyo sila i-follow dito. Active community sila dito with 5k members. Okay. So, pwede guys dito mag-chat sa kanilang dito guys, official chat nila at mag-respond sila dyan guys. If ever na meron kayong inquiry, lagyan nyo ng name at email nyo syempre. So, dito guys, audit KYC. Na-check na rin natin yan at okay naman siya. All good siya guys. KYC nila, verified. Okay. Talagang audited siya guys with certificate at yung docs nila. So, para lang magbayad ng token talaga guys. Okay. Dito lang. Enter nyo lang guys yung amount kung magkano yung bibili nyo. Tapos, kung saan nyo malalagay dyan guys. Alright, 1 ETH. Just $3,500. It's equal to ito, equivalent yan. Okay. So, ganun lang guys. At maraming salamat sa panonood nyo. See you soon sa ating next